Hi everyone. Today I'm going to talk about how to perform a two-sample t-test if you have only summarized data using SPSS. Because usually in SPSS, the most people who are using SPSS know how to perform a t-test if you have the data, but most of the guys don't know how to perform a t-test if you have only summarized data using SPSS. So today I'm going to discuss about that. So in order to perform a two-sample t-test with summarized data, first you should open a syntax window. So to open a syntax window, what you have to do is go to File and select New. After that, you have to choose this syntax window. Then you will get a syntax window. Then you need to write this code. So here, first of all, you should have two variables. That means since you are performing a two-sample t-test, there should be a continuous variable which is defined based on a categorical variable. So here my continuous variable is cost and my categorical variable is type. So in order to give the data, you should use this matrix and data commands, and in order to define the variables, you can use this variables command. After that, you can first define the categorical variable, and the row type should be based on the numerical variable, and this type should be a categorical variable. That is what this factor equals type means. Then you can use this begin data command to just input the data. So here you can see I have defined the sample size, sample mean, and the sample standard deviation for based on the two levels of type. This type has two levels, which is 1 and 2. So here I have defined the sample size of for type 1, which is 10, and the sample size for type 2, which is also 10. And here I have defined the sample mean for sample mean cost when the type is equal to 1, and the sample mean cost when type is equal to 2. And similarly, I have defined the sample standard deviation cost when the type is equal to 1, and the sample standard deviation cost when the type is equal to 2. So after typing this data, you can use this end data command to just stop that. Then here my plan is to get the t statistic based on a f statistic. As you know, the square root of f statistic will be a t statistic. So in order to get the f statistic, I am using this one-way ANOVA option. So first you have to write this keyword one-way. After that, first you have to specify the continuous variable which has defined by the categorical variable. After that, in order to perform the t-test, you should we have to type these two commands. Then at the end, what you have to do is you have to just run this command by just highlighting all those things and press this run selection option. Then you will get the results. So this is the results of your one-way ANOVA. So here first they will give you the output of the one-way ANOVA, and here you will get the results of the t-test. So the t-test statistic is -3.85 with a degrees of freedom of 18, and the p-value is 0.001. Okay, so this is how to perform a two-sample t-test if you have a summarized data. So if you think this video is useful to you, please put a like on my video, and if you want more videos like this in future, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.